after 65, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Margot Steinlage, President of Steinlage Insurance Agency, where we handle all things Medicare. Today we're going to take a high-level look at the different moving parts of Medicare and really help you decipher how these moving parts work with the different plans available. We'll take a look at Part A, hospital, Part B, medical, Part C and Part D, and how your supplement plans and your Medicare Advantage plans come in to help fill the gaps of Medicare. Let's jump right in. Original Medicare can be broken down into two moving parts. When you receive your red, white, and blue card in the mail, you'll see Part A, hospital benefits, and Part B, medical benefits. For most of you, you'll see the Part A hospital benefit is premium free, zero premium. For most of you, the Part B premium will be the standard Part B premium that is set by Medicare each year. Please note that Part B premiums are based on your income and can adjust if you're low income or high income. Now let's think about your coverage. What benefits does Original Medicare give you? If you walk in the hospital and you show that Medicare card to the hospital, Part A will kick in and you'll have Part A hospital deductible. This Part A hospital benefit will reset every 60 days. Part B medical, let's say you need to go into your primary care doctor or you need an MRI, you have an emergency room visit. Medicare Part B will pay roughly 80% of the claim once you satisfy your annual Part B medical deductible. So you can see here that there are some gaps in Medicare. Your Part A hospital deductible every 60 days, and the 20% Part B coinsurance that Medicare does not cover. In addition, you'll see that your red, white, and blue card does not cover dental, Part D drugs, prescriptions, vision, hearing, all of these extra benefits that your friends or family are likely talking about if they're already on Medicare. There's a lot of noise in the Medicare market, so let's jump in and try to decipher the different moving parts and how the different plans come in to fill those gaps in Medicare. As you can see, Original Medicare has a lot of gaps in the coverage. If you just have your red, white, and blue card, you'll need ancillary products to come in and fill those gaps in Medicare. This is where you can get drug coverage, gym membership, vision, dental, and your friends and family who are already on Medicare are likely talking about all of these different products and plans. Let's take a look at the different options that are available to you once you are enrolled in Medicare. Once you've enrolled in Medicare, the next decision to make is what type of plan you'd like to enroll in. You can choose from one of two options. Option 1, you can keep Original Medicare, your red, white, and blue card, and enroll in a Medicare supplement, also known as a Medigap plan. If you go this route, you'd have to sign up for a Part D drug plan and maybe even a dental and vision plan. The alternative is option 2. You have your red, white, and blue card and you sign up for a Part C Medicare Advantage plan. Remember, no matter which option you choose from, you'll still be required to pay the Part B standard premium. Let's jump into the moving parts of Medicare and the pros and cons. You'll see here option 1 is your Medicare with a supplement, also known as Medigap plan, and a standalone Part D drug plan. With this level of coverage, Medicare is your primary payer. You pay the Part B premium, and then you sign up for a Medicare supplement, also known as Medigap. This is where you see Plans F, Plan N, Plan G. Depending on the supplement plan that you select, will dictate the level of coverage that you receive. With Plan F supplement, you show your Medicare card and your supplement Plan F to any provider that takes Medicare nationwide, and you have 100% coverage with Medicare and Supplement F. Supplement F picks up each of the deductibles, Part A hospital and Part B medical, and covers your Part B coinsurance at 20%. Plan G is almost identical to the Supplement F, except you show your Medicare card and your Supplement G card, and you're responsible for the Part B deductible of $226 per year. Plan N is slightly lesser in premium and slightly lower in benefits. You'll see $20 copays at the doctor, $50 ER copays, and Part B excess exposure. The premiums are the major difference between supplement plans F, G, and N. These are the most popular supplements. In addition to obtaining supplemental coverage, you'll also need a Part D standalone drug plan. This is the card you'll show at the pharmacy, and this is where we see the most volatility in the market. Depending on your prescriptions each year, we will make a new recommendation on your Part D drug coverage. If you want to add dental and vision, this would be a separate policy that we would add to your moving parts here. The positives to going with this level of coverage, this is what is often referred to as a Cadillac plan, that there is no network, it's flexible. You can go nationwide to any doctor that takes Medicare with very limited out-of-pocket exposure. There's no referrals or prior authorizations that are required. This is the headache-free route, and there is no gatekeeper. It's you, your doctor, and Medicare. The negatives or the cons here is that it is expensive. You are paying extra monthly premiums each and every month for your supplement and your Part D drug coverage. The supplement premiums will increase each year based on multiple factors: inflation, age, gender. The Part D will change every year depending on your prescriptions. So you may have a $7 drug plan one year and a $100 drug plan the next year because of your prescription changes. Again, this is the Cadillac path. Original Medicare, your red, white, and blue card is your primary payer. When you go in to see the doctors, you're telling the providers that you have original Medicare. Medicare is your primary, your Medicare supplement, regardless of the letter or carrier, is your secondary payer. The alternative path here is option 2, Medicare Part C, Medicare Advantage plans. You still have your red, white, and blue card. You're paying the monthly premiums for that Part B component. However, when you sign up for a Medicare Advantage plan, that zero premium HMO or that zero premium PPO is now your gatekeeper. Medicare is no longer the primary payer. Medicare Advantage plan, your HMO or PPO, is running the show. They manage your care. This means you need to request doctors that are in the plan's network to get the most bang for your buck. When you go see your providers, or if you need an MRI or outpatient surgery, you have a designated copay or coinsurance that you are responsible for. If you go out of network under an HMO, under most circumstances, you are fully responsible for those out-of-network claims and charges. With a PPO, you have a little more flexibility. Here you can go in or out of network, but again, you need to make sure that your out-of-network provider agrees to accept the terms of your PPO. This is an additional headache that can be a stumbling block for some patients. The positive to this level of care is that it's affordable. There's low premiums. Outside of paying your Part B premium that's set by Medicare each year, you essentially have a zero premium for your HMO or your PPO plan that you select from. You only pay when you use the care. These HMO and PPOs combine, think of Part C as combining Medicare, Part A hospital, Part B medical, Part D drug, plus extra perks like dental, vision, and hearing, and gym membership. It sounds really attractive on the front end because it is affordable. However, the negatives to this level of care is that you do see prior authorizations for major surgeries. You do see the network restrictions. Those co-pays that you pay when you do use the care can be cumbersome. If you have a bad year and hit your plan's max out of pocket, it's a hard pill to swallow. And again, remember that Part B standard premium is required no matter which route you take, option 1 or option 2. If you decide to go the more affordable route with a Medicare Advantage plan, the zero premium PPO or zero premium HMO, and later want to move to a Medicare supplement and beef up your coverage and have the more robust Cadillac plan, then under most circumstances, you are required to pass medical underwriting and answer health questions and get approval from your supplement. This means the supplement will take a look at your prior health history and either make a decision of denying you coverage or accepting you coverage based on your health risk. So if you have high health risks, and you choose Medicare Advantage and later want to switch to a supplement, you can be denied and stuck in that Medicare Advantage plan. If you choose Medicare supplement and a standalone drug plan when you first become eligible for Medicare, there's no health questions to get in the door with your supplement and your drug plan when you're new to Medicare, when you're either turning 65 or you're picking up Part B for the first time. So you get a free pass to get in with your supplement and avoid the health underwriting and pre-existing look back. If when you first become eligible, you're turning 65 or you're retiring and you're picking up Medicare for the first time, and you decide to go with a Medicare supplement and a standalone drug plan, you went the Cadillac path. You can later drop this and move very easily to a Medicare Advantage plan without any health questions. You can do this anytime during the annual enrollment period, which runs from October 15th through December 7th each year. However, if you want to drop your Medicare Advantage plan and later move to a more robust Cadillac supplement, you are required to pass medical underwriting. This is where if you have a high health risk, your supplement plan will deny your coverage or accept you depending on your health risk. This means if you're denied due to high health risk, you're left in your Medicare Advantage plan, hitting those max out of pockets every year. It's important to choose wisely when you are becoming eligible for Medicare. Your initial decision can have long-term consequences. It's important to work with a brokerage who really spends the time to look at your specific needs, both medical and financial, and help educate you in this space. This is a very confusing market, and we are here to navigate and provide clarity. Let's take a peek at what we covered today. We looked at the many different parts of Medicare and the different plans available once you enroll in Medicare. Original Medicare is your red, white, and blue card, consisting of Part A hospital and Part B medical. There are many gaps in just original Medicare coverage, and there are many ancillary products to come in and fill these gaps. We looked at the two options of coverage that you can select from when you're ready to move into Medicare. Option 1 was original Medicare with a supplement and a drug plan. This is the most flexible level of coverage that you can obtain. Option 2 was Medicare with a Medicare Advantage Part C plan. These are your HMO and your PPO plans. We highlighted the importance of your initial decision making and how it can have long-term consequences. If you choose Medicare Advantage and later want to move to a supplement, under most circumstances, you'll have to pass medical underwriting and answer health questions. If you choose Medicare supplement, you have the top level of coverage that you can get. It's very easy for you to move to a Medicare Advantage plan at a later date without underwriting. The takeaway from this video is that you need to make sure you choose wisely, both plan and brokerage. Here at Steinlage Insurance Agency, we care about your education. We listen to your medical needs and your financial concerns and provide excellent benefit support when you need it most. Hey there, if after watching this webinar you want to find out more about Steinlage Insurance, check out our captions for access to our Medicare 101 webinar. This 1-hour presentation will cover all things Medicare, whether it's enrollment requirements, IRMA, donut hole exposure. We'll also cover the loaded question, is Medicare required at 65? Thanks for watching and talk to you soon.